Hi everyone. Thank you everyone to join because I think it's only 50. Oh my god. It's only 50. So in the following 5 minutes, I will talk with my note in case out of time. Okay. So I will show about the state of open source community in Taiwan and what we face right now and in the international. Okay. So the first. Just as I said, the session is only in 50 minutes, I'm afraid that I could not complete the session. But don't worry about. There are a QR code on the slide up top, and you can take more information later or just right now. Okay. Okay. So first, quick introduction. What is the Open Culture Foundation? We are an NPO NGO foundation in Taiwan, and we dedicate to promote the open source, open data, and open government. And we combine the three parts into one we call the open take. And we also care about the internet freedom and the digital right. That's our core value in our foundation. Okay. And if you have any resource fund, just like donation, international engage, open source partner, localization program, and the resource thinking, you can just ask or find Open Culture Foundation, and we will mapping or to find the appropriate community for them. So that's what we do. Okay. And this page and the next page I will introduce about our foundation project. That's all of them. Just only more influence projects in our foundation. The first is civic sense. This project is care about our environment. Okay, so by the makers, this project will give you a box. Raspberry Pi or Arduino in the box, and you can use the box to monitor your environment. Yeah, so this project is more care about our environment. And the next is a board game we call the Open Starter Village. So we want to use the board game to reduce the gap between the different scale. People work together for the open source, because we know. Open source project is not only the coder, maybe some from the user or promoter. How to make them work together? So we want to we have the board game to for them to simulate this situation. So that if you are interested, you can find the board game. I think. No, I think it's all open source, so you can focus the board game or maybe just translate your language in your country. Okay, and then the second is international conference participant program. This part I will give you more introduction later, because this is a more important part. I will talk about the OECD Pass. OECD Pass is for the open source contributor to apply. We want to encourage them to do more about open source contribute. And what we reward for them is maybe we can give the free or discounted tickets of the conference in Taiwan. And we also want to attract more non-coder contributor to apply this program. So this is what we do, and right now, the more project. Okay, and OCF also hosts a small conference for our community. We call the ConCon. The ConCon is a conference for the open community. And what is that? We will set up some topic. That's the problem which are not only on one community will face, and we could find a solution and a suggestion through the make them brainstorming or the discussion to find the solution to solve. Okay, that is the ConCom. And what we talked about before is the international conference program. This program, we invite the open source members come with us to the conference. Just like this year, we go to the FOSSASIA. And we also requested the community give some flyer with us. The flyer maybe in the flyer maybe about their community project records or call for paper information. And on the FOSSASIA, well, our staff or volunteers will promote them about the community information to the attendee. And after FOSSASIA, we have released a report about our point of view in attending FOSSASIA. And we want to share the report for the community to inspire them more ideas in Taiwan, because we think that we cannot to bring more people to the FOSSASIA, because from Taiwan to the Europe is very long-term flight. So we try to make easy way to bring our information idea to the Europe and bring back the more what we see to the Taiwan. Okay. This page is more huge information. I think we can go through this. This is more about community in Taiwan. We can quick calculate about in this part. The first is conference. We in Taiwan we have a lot of conference, just like Coast Cup and the MarCon, PyCon, and CCon. Coast Cup, I think we can say is the largest conference in Taiwan and relate about the open source. Every year we have more than 2,000 people in the conference. We will say we just like FOSSASIA in Asia. Maybe we can just say, but we want to try. FOSSASIA is our model, Coast Cup model. So want to be the FOSSASIA, yeah, the huge and the more variety conference and topics in Taiwan. Okay, and the security we will talk about the HICON. HICON is I think it's a more international and talk about the security in Taiwan. And I think it's also 1,000 people attending a conference. And the CSS is a community. The community also is our OCF partner, because OCF will support the civil society organization in IT and the security problem. We will ask CSS for the consult, and sometimes we will request them for help. So if you want to know how the CSS work, you can search the css.asia, and they have a lot of information in security and how to help the civil society in Taiwan. Okay, and then the rest of the community will go quickly, just like Ubuntu, Debian Taiwan, and the OpenStreetMap, Wikipedia in Taiwan, and we have a community about the roads, V Taiwan, and the network TWNOC. TWNOC is I think the next month they have a conference in Taiwan, and about the license, CC Taiwan is still work, and about the art and the I and the D8 in Taiwan, and the open source community like Hacking Thursday, KSDG, Kaohsiung Software and Developer Group, and PostgreSQL and Mozilla Taiwan. Mozilla Taiwan, I will talk about them because they are the largest and the longest community in Taiwan. They are run. I think they are run almost 20 years in Taiwan, and the community have their style and smoothly run the long way and did not disappear. Mozilla Taiwan is a very cool community. I think that if you maybe in August you want to attending Coast Cup and fly to Taiwan, you can I think you can more into I will introduce some key men about the Mozilla Taiwan if you go to. Okay, so 5 minutes. Okay. And the rest about the scientists side work and the call for society is G0V. G0V, I think is the zero is from the they want to make our governments more performance. Just like the zero is about the idea is from the the security in 0 day. Just they want to in this concept for our government. Okay, and this is the will host in Taiwan international conference. So if you have any chance to join us because we have a lot of international conference this year. Okay, so we quickly we want call for something for everyone. Join us our open source community at the conference, meetup, online event, and more. And call for open source project for rising contribute and promote open source project. And call for participate. I think the participate resource for provide resource to community to help them to level and enhance further. Okay, the next is more about me. I'm right now in the OCF almost 1 year, less a year ago, joined to the OCF. And the OCF, if you want one word to recap, is from our community for the community. And our mission is to make the open source community and the civil society organization work together, because we find that there are different groups and in Taiwan right now. Okay, and I also a volunteer at the course cover since 2008. So before I joined OCF, I'm a big engineer, a skill in Python. So if you are more interested about course cover or Open Culture Foundation, we have the booth at the second floor. So that's all. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.